Power down your Huawei Honor 8 phone. Eject the nano SIM and micro SD card tray. The Honor 8 rear glass panel is glued on solidly and is a tight fit within the narrow bezel. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. With the precision knife, create enough space to insert a triangle opening tool. Attack the adhesive and carefully dislodge the Honor 8 rear panel from the phone. The panel is still connected to the Honor 8 by a cable along the top left side, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the falling Phillips screw, securing the bracket that covers the display cable and the fingerprint sensor connector. With the bracket out of the way, spudge up the cable for the Honor 8 fingerprint sensor and free the rear panel. Remove the following 16 Phillips screws. With a triangle opening tool, work around the Honor 8 phone and remove the exterior midframe. Pry the battery connector off the motherboard. Detach or remove the 8-megapixel Honor 8 front-facing selfie camera. Use the sponger to disconnect and plug out the 12-megapixel Honor 8 dual-lens rear-facing camera. Disconnect the bevy of cables from your Huawei Honor 8 motherboard. Remove the following Phillips screw. Easily extract the motherboard from the Huawei smartphone. Use the tweezers to help remove the Honor 8 earpiece speaker from the chassis. With the sponger in hand, disconnect and pry up the Honor 8 loudspeaker. Detach the signal cable, interconnect cable, and headphone jack connector from the daughter board. Extricate the Honor 8 headphone jack. Remove the daughter board from the mid-frame. It includes the Honor 8's USB-C port and primary microphone. Lift out the signal cable, and then with the tweezers, remove the spring contact connected Honor 8 vibrator. The Honor 8 battery is well wedged and adhered in place. Use a playing card to carefully free it from the adhesive securing it to the mid-frame. Lift out the 3000 mAh Huawei Honor 8 battery. Peel up the display cable from the Honor 8 mid-frame. Begin to free the Honor 8 display assembly by using the heat gun to warm up the adhesive securing it to the mid-frame. With a precision knife, create enough space to insert a playing card. Use a combination of playing cards and a triangle opening tool to attack the adhesive. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you've sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the display cable when decoupling the Honor 8 screen from the mid-frame.